Understanding Noble Warrior, a guide to English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're exploring the phrase, Noble Warrior. This phrase is not just about words, but about history, culture, and character. Let's dive in and understand what makes a warrior noble. Noble warrior is a compound phrase made up of two words, noble and warrior. Let's break them down. Noble. This word originally comes from the Latin nobilis, meaning well-known, famous, or of high birth. In modern English, it has come to mean showing fine personal qualities or high moral principles. It's about dignity, honor, and respectability. Warrior. A warrior is someone who engages in or is experienced in warfare. The term implies bravery, skill, and often a sense of duty. It's not just about fighting, but also about the spirit and approach to challenges. Understanding Noble Warrior also involves a peek into history and culture. Throughout history, warriors were often seen as heroes or protectors. In many cultures, like the Japanese samurai or European knights, being a warrior was synonymous with certain noble qualities like honor, bravery, and loyalty. In today's context, noble warrior often refers to someone who fights for a righteous cause or with honorable intentions, not just on the battlefield. It could be used metaphorically to describe someone battling societal issues or standing up for others. It's about having the heart and spirit of a warrior combined with the ethics and principles of nobility. The firefighters who saved the children were like noble warriors in their courage and selflessness. She is a noble warrior for environmental causes, tirelessly advocating for change. I hope this video helped you understand the depth and beauty of the phrase, noble warrior. Remember, language is more than words. It's about the stories, cultures, and values they represent. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the richness of the English language.